Well, I think the first step is that the different countries organize themselves. It is now really going in Finland, Netherlands, Switzerland, and UK, and other countries, because these are really ahead. And then the next step will be then to join forces together.
Yeah, well, there has been a very interesting organisation established in 2008, I think, in the UK, and this is the International Population Data Research Network. And this organisation promotes and facilitates the sharing of experience and resources between people who are involved in the sharing of data internationally. And it is in the process of defining a new kind of science, if you like, which is called population data science. And there will be a journal also, International Population Data Journal, which will publish research from people working in this kind of area. So I think that's a very practical means of fostering collaboration and exchanging good experience and creating a good network.
I really do think that we should put together a European project and European consortium for secondary use of data. There are a few proposals on table on genomic medicine, but perhaps also there are other usages. But each European country alone is too small. We hear news coming from the United States, from China and other large countries that can put together cohorts which count in millions. So I think that's exactly what we should do very soon.
Yeah, I think we all face similar problems. That's the first thing. And so there's questions about ethics and how we might approach things in the future, what our responsibility to the public might be. What is it reasonable for the public to expect about the way that ultimately their data is managed? There's technical issues where we can learn from each other. And I think sometimes just having a discussion about where the big pitfalls are. So, for example, how do you involve commercial companies and what does that mean?
If we think about the regulations and they can be solved and the laws are coming, the next step is, of course, what do we really have? It's called metadata. So in every country you have different kind of data sets, registers and so forth, whatever you call it. But what's inside of those chambers, and if you call it national treasures in every country, what does it hold? It's called metadata. It's the future. You have to have the catalogs. You have to have something to sell, something to tell, something that you can speak with the other countries and your co-operations and so forth.